sounds are coming. Let us try with this. I'm saying okay. You see, the symbols also changed. Now I want to play this. See, this is the effect. If your tone is very nice, then we can enjoy like anything. Okay. Now I'm going to open the previous noise also, the version. Unmute this. Go to leftmost and now play. How is it? Like this, you can do various things. Now I'm going to bring one more noise here. I am going back to the downloads. It is accepting only MP4. I have one MP3. See, I'm bringing one MP3. There is no track at all. I will try. I'm releasing this. Now see. Okay, so you got the difference like this. So you can do this kind of exercises, or we can try this. So this is the complete song. So here I can mute this. This also we can. I'm selecting this. So two tracks are there. You just observe this. This also I am muting. Now only this only is audible. Now we will see how the effect is. See, this is what I told you. So here in between, if you are able to find some line that is in x-axis, from that place only you can get the profile. Here you see there is no gaps. You are not able to see the gaps. By the time we cannot get the profile. Isn't it? See here, the last place. You can get it here. Go to the selection tool and you can see. Use the that zoom tool. Click this so that we will be getting somewhat extra place. Go to the, once again select the select tool. You select this one. So from this place we can get the profile. So one drop of blood is enough, to test it. So just like that we are getting exact one place for getting profile. Go to that effects and noise reduction. Tell the system to get the profile. And once again you select a complete one because the profile is taken. No, go back to effects and a noise reduction. Now you can say OK. If there is any noise, that also will be removed. After that, compress it, then go for the normalization. Now going to compress, because this one is already industry output. No, so that is why this performance is very nice. We are not going to do anything but the process. Now normalize, say OK. This normalize. Now we play it. You are able to hear only one voice, right? We will implement the echo. Go to the effect, echo. So this is echo. Echo. You see, the previously we noticed that 0.76 and 0.75. Now it is 0.5. Now I am changing this to, echo is 0.5. I'm setting 6. Just I have a preview. Right? Just like a ghost songs. I'm saying okay. Now play this. Got it? So here I want to add my tone also. I'm unmuting this. In continuation of my tone, this song should start. So I should replace to some other timeline. So going to take this tool and hold and move side. So whenever I am stopping my humming, the song will be getting started. Now unmuting this track, and now got it? So this is how we can play with the Audacity. It's a very nice time passing tool. Of course, we can create new creativity also. So if you are recording these kind of the songs, you can add, or even you can voiceover for your voiceover also you can record. You see, I'm deleting all these things. To delete, just click that X marks, or you want to have some background noise. Okay, so by the time, see, I'm removing this, and this also I'm removing. We will try this song with this. See, I'm unmuting. The washing sound as well as this song. Okay, so you can add the special effects also. Now I am unmuting this or deleting this and adding one more track. How to add the track? See, we are talking only about the effect. That also only 1-2 options only. The fade in, fade out also is there. That also an amazing tool. See, this one, timeline. I'm starting from this point. It starts with the high pitch, right? Instead of that, it should start from lesser to the bigger voice. So here I'm selecting this and going to effects, fade in. See, smaller to the bigger voice. Now you try. So we can feel that the voice is coming from distance to nearer. Got it? So that is the fade in. In case if you want to, I'm Control Z, undo that. I want to give the fading effect only to this portion. Only to this portion. Select this tool. Only to this point, I want to give the fading. You select that, go to the effect, fade in. Only that portion will be getting the smaller noise. Then the end point, instead of this kind, I want to select this area and give fade out. See, now timeline. I'm selecting the timeline here. See, that is the effect of the fade in and fade out. Now I am muting this, adding one more track, add a new track. So here This is muted. So this track, you just click the track so that the recording going to be placed on this track. If you're not clicking, the new track also will be opening. Your voice will be recording in the new track. Okay. So instead you have to click that. You can start. Click on the recording button. Hello, my dear students. This is a special presentation we are going to have on the Prezi tool at the same time, followed by the Audacity. See, now we can click on this place. Hello, my dear students. This is a special presentation we are going to have on the Prezi tool at the same time. Okay, so you just taste the difference of the recording, the quality of the recording. So even the professionals also are using this Audacity. So once if you are using for your voiceover recording, definitely you'll be enjoying this. You won't leave this tool. Okay, shall we close?